I've taken a lot of steps in my life. Good ones, bad ones. My career has been built off of a string of small steps that in turn were quite large leaps. I'm Kevin Dillon. I'm the president of global maintenance for Flexjet. I didn't realize the decision I was making would have such an impact on my life and my career. I have always loved airplanes. I've always thought they're the coolest things out there, and I wanted to make a career out of it. So I took a step into the direction of the aeronautical engineering technology programs at Purdue, and through the program, I quickly learned where I should focus and where I shouldn't focus. The interesting thing about Purdue, or the very unique thing about Purdue, is that you get into scenarios where you have to make decisions, and knowing that you're surrounded by influential and intelligent people that that will support you and have your back is very important, especially when you're trying to build a foundation for your life and your career. I graduated 2001, and 2 days later started my career here in Cleveland, Ohio. This industry is built around attention to detail, safety, and a focus on people. When a customer buys with us, they have an expectation of what that airplane will look like. So we design and build custom cabinets with inlaid woodwork. We design the seats, we cut the fabric, and we sew up the seats, paint the airplanes, engineer specific installations of avionics equipment. There isn't a single thing that we can't do to a private jet. I'm very fortunate in this career. There hasn't been a single day where it's ever been the same. And I'm excited to go to work the same as I was day one as I am 23 years later. When I think about the steps that I took from Purdue to where I'm at today, I'm very thankful and appreciative. I'm Kevin Dillon. I'm a Purdue Polytechnic graduate, and I love my career.